Once upon a time, in a jungle filled with chirping birds and rustling leaves, lived a gentle gorilla named Gus. Gus was known for his big, strong arms and his kind heart. One night, as the stars twinkled and the moon shone bright, Gus lay in his cozy nest, thinking about his dream. He dreamt of a world where he could paint beautiful pictures with his long fingers. The next day, Gus woke up with a big smile on his face. He decided to make his dream come true. He gathered colors from the rainbow-colored fruits of the jungle and set off to find a canvas. He found a big, blank tree trunk and started to paint. With each stroke, his painting came alive. Flowers bloomed, birds sang, and the sun shone brightly. Gus was overjoyed. The other animals in the jungle were amazed by Gus's painting. They gathered around to admire it. The monkeys clapped, the elephants trumpeted, and even the shy birds joined in. Gus's dream had come true, and he was happier than ever. He realized that with a little imagination and a lot of hard work, anything is possible. And so, Gus continued to paint, filling the jungle with beauty and joy. As night fell, Gus lay in his cozy nest, looking at his painting with pride. He closed his eyes, ready for another day of dreams and adventure. The end.